I'm really excited. This is the first time I'm planning to use my Stanley 45 that I got like 2 months ago, and I didn't have a chance to use it. So finally I found the use on a job site. I could use a router, but that's not interesting. This is the more interesting thing. Let's see. There are quite a bit of moving parts, but essentially there's two skates, the skate, a blade, a fence, depth stop, but I don't have a screwdriver. I already sharpened the blade. I have the dimensions that this is the big groove I want to make. So there's like you can adjust the skate and you can adjust the fence. So that's what I needed to do. Somewhere here. Well, I think this clamps would work better. And let's do it. Now I need to figure out how to prevent it from moving. Like, I almost want to sit on this stuff. So this is basically the end result. Like very nice groove, all like reasonably consistent. Not really, but reasonably. Well, on a job site, a router is probably easier. But it's working too. Now I need to enlarge this a little bit. I think I'll just stop. Fun. A lot of weird fun. And should be functional.